everyone, first I'm sorry to use this toy chef inside my face to make this video. After missing all my appointments with my favorite barbershop, I think my face is no longer safe to be viewed by any children under the age of 16. In the end, this is still office hour. I have to comply with the Siemens Canada Zero Harm culture. Now back to the topic. My job today is going to demonstrate a small portion of Chinese culture by cooking a dish. Hopefully by the end of the video, you'll realize that your favorite Thai or Japanese restaurant are just Chinese restaurants. Let's begin with the kitchenware we're going to use today. Unlike the Japanese santoku knife and the French chef knife, the Chinese vegetable knife, also known as the Chinese chef knife, has a rectangular blade profile and heavier weight. This makes the chopping motion much more efficient. Compared to a flat pan, the Chinese wok has much taller wall. This makes stir fry much easier, and we can also cook soup in it. Now let's add the traditional bamboo steamer on top of the wok. We are ready to steam some delicious seafood. This is all the raw material we're gonna use today. Since we're out of time, I'm going to use the wizardry of video editing to complete the dish. Oops, I think we're out of time. Hope you learned something today. Bye.